Hi everyone, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Mom and Pretty Missy here again, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I use Lnshow hair dryer to blow dry my hair. This hair dryer comes in different colors. This particular one is yellow and it is twistable. You can twist the head to whatever direction you want, and the plug is so long in such a way that you can be in your room and just extend the plug to whatever direction you want to blow dry your hair. It also has a temperature control thermostat that you can turn to cold or hot, however you want your blow drying temperature to be. This hair dryer can switch back and forth and give you the desired temperature you want. Alright everyone, the first thing I do whenever I want to blow dry my hair is to give it moisture by adding hair conditioner. So I just applied can 2 hair conditioner generously and just make sure I massage that can 2 hair conditioner into my hair properly and just kind of like give my hair a very good massage. And next I'm gonna be adding my homemade shea butter. I add this every time I blow dry my hair or straighten out my hair. It's just to keep moisture lock in my hair. I don't want my hair completely dried out during the blow drying process, so you want to avoid complete hair dry out. I'm gonna be using these hair clips to section my hair, and it's also gonna help me keep the remaining part of my hair out of my way, out of the way, so it doesn't bother me while trying to get the little section stretched out. Alright everyone, this is the moment we are waiting for, and here comes Lnshow hair dryer. Right there, very easy to use. It is very portable. You can put this hair dryer in your bag while traveling. It is so handy, and I'm just using it to just stretch out my hair here, and it's so very easy to use. Alright, I've left the link to purchasing this hair dryer on the description of this video. Go ahead and grab one for yourself and thank me later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch till the end. Give this video a thumbs up, drop some comments for me if you want to, and if you have any question on anything I've shown in this video today, just go ahead and drop your question and I will gladly reply every of your questions.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my